How to fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Now toggle on for this option of airplane mode. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Likewise, open this option of Wi-Fi. Now click on the Wi-Fi that you are connected to. You'll see the option of low data mode. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Likewise, scroll all the way down. Click on this option of configure DNS. Check in for the option of manual and then click on this option of add server and then type in 8.8.8.8 and click on save. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings. Now scroll down, navigate to this option of general. Scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, go to the main page of settings, open this option of battery. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of low power mode. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wi-Fi speed too slow on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.